Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which OneDrive account is active and saving any unsynced files you need. This step prevents data loss. Open the OneDrive app from the system tray, then click Help in Settings and choose Settings. Once done, pause syncing to stop file transfers while you work. Make sure to close apps that hold OneDrive files so nothing is locked. These first actions ensure a clean unlink later and let you proceed without interruptions or accidental overwrites. Next, head into OneDrive settings and find the Backup or Accounts tab to manage folder backup. You want to stop protecting desktop, documents, and pictures if they are being backed up. Click Stop Backup for each folder. Then choose Unlink this PC to remove account association. This prevents future automatic syncs. When prompted, decide whether to keep local copies or delete them. Keep them if you need offline access. After unlinking, OneDrive will no longer backup or sync files on this device. Finally, if you no longer want OneDrive on the machine, open Apps and Features and uninstall Microsoft OneDrive or disable it via Windows Features. After uninstalling, check your user folder for a OneDrive directory and remove it if you want the space reclaimed, but confirm any needed files are saved elsewhere. If something goes wrong, sign out of your Microsoft account, restart the PC, and run OneDrive setup again, or use the reset option in settings to fix sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.